Why won't these lights turn on?
You need batteries!
Hi, I'm Isabel from Schuylkill Valley Middle School, and our team got the chance to meet with representatives from East Penn Manufacturing, and they make batteries. They told us just what's so cool about manufacturing. So, Einstein, what do you think is so cool about manufacturing?
French fries!
My name is Andy Franks. I'm the manager of the Private Fleet here, LLC. And the cool thing about manufacturing is getting out to all the different distribution centers and warehouses across the country, Salt Lake City, Texas, North Carolina, Iowa, and interacting with other employees and understanding how they go out and they deliver our wonderful products to all the customers.
So, what's so cool about manufacturing?
Tacos.
No.
I think manufacturing's cool because what we do here, it brings a bunch of different jobs together, people together to make a quality product, whether it be maintenance, control techs, the operator on the floor, management. That's why I think it's cool.
I believe the number one thing that I would say that is so cool about manufacturing is probably the employees that you work with. It's a very team environmental setting, right, as opposed to you just as an individual. So I think that's probably the thing that I enjoy most about it is the people that I work with and being in a group setting the way we are.
So, what's so cool about manufacturing?
East Penn Manufacturing! And a special thanks to